today. So, if you clicked on this video, that means you are interested in selling Avon, may have just signed up, or it just came across your search. Either way, I just wanted to tell you how you can earn money by working from home on your computer, your smartphone, or maybe you go to church. Your kids have a little function, you can meet people there. Either way, I want to help you make money on the side or as a full-time. Is a direct sales company, also known as an MLM, which is multi-level marketing company. Now, don't get that confused with pyramid scheme. Pyramid schemes are illegal and they do not have actual products to sell. You are just kind of trusting somebody with your money at that point. But that is not what we are here for. We have products to sell and they're coming from real people and a real company, and everything is totally legit, and you can earn as much or as little as you want to by the effort that you put into your business. So my last video I did, I don't want this one to be too professional either because I'm not very professional. But I do make a good amount of money where probably by the end of the year I could make this my full-time job. Currently I do work outside of my home, as well as when I come home I run my Avon business and I have a 2-year-old daughter. So I'm very busy. But I would love to stay home with her at some point. So I am going to put in the time and effort now so I can relax and work from home later. Now, my last video I did, I'm still going to talk about a lot of that, but I did makeup. And I don't want to confuse anybody because Avon is not just about makeup. It is not just about skincare. And even a man can sell Avon. Like, it doesn't matter. Avon is for everybody. Literally everybody. So I wanted to show you a few products and then talk about the benefits of being with Avon and what you could get from it. I'm not going to go into detail about the products because I'm not here to sell you anything. I just want to use this video to inform. So we have some new products. Like these are, like, there's barely anything in here because I use these. So these are our kitchen cleaners. The multi-purpose cleaner smells like a bunch of oranges, and then our kitchen degreaser. Like I said, I use these all the time, so they will be in my next order because I like my kitchen cleaner. We have some fabric refresheners. You can use these to spray like Febreze on your couch. They are so sensitive that you can even use them on your clothes, like as a wrinkle release, or what is it called? Yeah, wrinkle release. It sounds weird, but that's what you go. So wrinkle release, you can use it to iron your clothes. It is all natural. It smells really good. Then we have our multi-purpose wipes that just came out for your kitchen. These smell exactly like pomegranate. Before I tell you, are these natural? I want to say they're made with natural products. So I don't want to lie to you and say they're all natural, but it is natural derived cleaners. All right. We have things like detergent. Love the detergent. Toothpaste. We have hand soap, but I didn't bring it in here. We have a men's line. My husband uses it. So we have men products. We have the ever known Skin So Soft. We have so much of that. And then we have our new kids stuff that just came out in Baby Shark and Pink Foam. This is not the whole line, but that's just what I bought because I don't purchase anything I'm not going to use, because you don't have to have stock with Avon. So let's go ahead and go into like the business side. So with Avon, like I said, you do not have to have anything on hand. You don't have to buy stock. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. On top of signing up absolutely free. You don't even have website fees. Again, everything is absolutely free. It's not like any other direct sale companies. I can speak about Mary Kay and Tupperware, and it works. because I've tried them all, and I promise you, love, it is a waste of money. And I say that because you shouldn't have to pay to be a part of a company to sell their products. It's just, I don't think it's fair. But I end up losing a lot of money with those companies. So not only do you have to pay for your kit for products you probably are not going to use, but you have to pay for a monthly fee to use their website. This is not fair, right? So there's no website fees, no any kind of fees. You can literally sign up, try for as long as you want to, log out, never have to do it again. You just have to be inactive for 6 campaigns. And if you sign up, I'll teach you what a campaign is. You just have to be inactive for 6 campaigns and your account will go into void. So that is that. Now, some other interesting things. You do earn 25% up to your first, well, up to $5,000, and then you get bumped to 30%, which is amazing, right? So, on top of all of that, every $200 you sell during your first 8 campaigns, Avon hands you $20 on top of your commission. Then, at a cumulative of 1,000 in sales, they hand you $100. So, in a campaign, you sell $400, right? They'll give you $40. But you have to, so the 200 is for each campaign. So next campaign, you sell $600, they'll give you $60. But in total, you have sold 1,000. So on top of that, $40 and $60, they're gonna hand you $100 for hitting 1,000 in sales. Again, all of this on top of what you already sold and you got your commission from. Now, the other part, which I really love, when you do sign up and you sign up for free, you place your first $60 order, you get your 25% off. Then they give you $10 credit for your next campaign, as well as a little gift for thanking you for signing up and placing your first $60 order. Now, I do have those products so I can show you. My absolute favorite moisturizer, which is the Dr. Belmer's Sicca Recovery. Again, I'm not going to go into too much detail unless you are ready to sign up. But this moisturizer is my absolute favorite, and it's valued out, I believe, $38. You get some Belief samples, which is another moisturizer. You get some VDL samples, which are primers. You get a roll-on deodorant. And you get 2 different kinds of toothpaste to try out. So this one is the Himalayan Pink Salt trial size, and this is the full bottle. And then this one is the Whitening Essentials that you get as well. All for placing your first $60 order when you sign up. Free, guys, free. Avon is handing you things to sign up and sell, earn money. They're just handing you things. Like, why not try it, right? So, then on top of all this other stuff, you will be like, so if you join my team, I will add you into our groups on Facebook if you so choose. And you don't have to do any of this alone. Like, we are here to help you, like, run your business. So you're not doing it by yourself. You have people who've been doing this for years to hold your hand and guide you through all of this. If you want to do it by yourself, you're more than welcome. But I promise you, the journey's more fun and you feel more relaxed because you know if something happens, we got you. We're not going to let you slip through the cracks, I promise. I feel like I'm ranting, but I just want you to know, like, everything before you sign up. I have truly loved being with Avon. I've been with Avon since October of last year, so not a full year yet. And I have already hit Silver Ambassador. That might not mean much right now, but for me, it's a big achievement because I've never gone up in any company I've ever been with. So, I will leave my link below. I will leave all my handles so you can reach out to me if you have any questions whatsoever. I want to help you. And even if you have questions but you're not ready to quite sign up, just let me know. I love talking about my business and I love teaching people.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. She'll make you curse, but she a blessing. She'll rip your shirt.